Members of the organization V84 came from across the state to participate in its annual Kick Butts Day. The group spent the day protesting the marketing and advertising of tobacco companies to youth and young adults. V84 stands for the 84% of Massachusetts youth that remain tobacco-free. That number has actually increased to 86 over the last year. This year, the organization's biggest concern is the selling and use of electronic cigarettes and hookahs to people under the age of 18.
The tobacco industry's newest tactic in targeting young people is promoting e-cigarettes, which they call hookah pens or e-hookah or vape pens, through the same tactics that they do with tobacco: price, packaging, and availability.
A study by the Food and Drug Administration found that 1 out of every 10 high school students has used an electronic cigarette.
We don't have much information on the e-cigarettes because they are not FDA regulated, but we do know that they do contain nicotine, and because of that, they are addictive.
The 84 marched from St. Paul Cathedral Church to the State House. Throughout the day, the group utilized social media by hashtagging the phrases Kick Butts Day and the 84th Movement.
Social media is the best way to spread information and raise awareness about this topic.
The group spent their time in the State House pleading their case to legislators on the long-term harms that electronic cigarettes may have on developing teens. The electronic cigarette industry made $1.7 billion last year alone. For Emerson College, I'm Alicia Rush.